Hello, English phrase campers. Today we're diving into something super important, how to offer help in English in different situations. Whether you're helping a friend, a colleague, or a stranger, or a customer online, knowing the right words can make all the difference. In this lesson, you'll learn 150 helpful phrases that'll take you from basic to advanced levels. Ready to become a more caring and confident English speaker? Then don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. Let's begin today's lesson. Beginner level phrases. 1. Simple offers of help. Can I help you? Do you need help? Let me help. Need a hand? I'm here to help. How can I help? May I assist you? Would you like some help? Is everything okay? Are you all right? Basic sympathetic responses. I'm sorry to hear that. That must be hard. Don't worry. It's going to be okay. Take your time. I understand. You can count on me. I'm right here. Tell me what happened. Let's fix this together. Simple support phrases. I can do that for you. Leave it to me. I've got this. No problem at all. Happy to help. Just let me know. I'm free to help. What do you need? Tell me what to do. I'll try my best. Intermediate level phrases. Offering specific help. Would you like me to give you a ride? I can take care of that for you. Should I come over and help? Let me know if you need anything. Is there anything specific I can help with? Would it help if I'd be happy to assist you with that. What can I do to make things easier? Would you like me to look into this? I'm available if you need support. Showing empathy. That sounds really challenging. I know exactly how you feel. You're not alone in this. I've been through something similar. It's perfectly normal to feel this way. Take all the time you need. I'm here to listen. Let's tackle this one step at a time. Your feelings are totally valid. This must be overwhelming for you. Practical support. I can help you brainstorm solutions. Would you like some advice? Let's figure this out together. I have some experience with this. Maybe we could try it this way. Have you considered a different approach? I know someone who might be able to help. Let me share what worked for me. We can work on this together. I'll help you research options. Advanced level phrases. Professional assistance. Please don't hesitate to reach out if you need further assistance. I would be more than happy to facilitate this process for you. Let me know if you'd like me to intervene on your behalf. I'm at your disposal should you require any support. Would it be helpful if I coordinated this for you? I can certainly arrange that for you. Allow me to handle the logistics of this situation. I'd be glad to take this matter off your hands. Perhaps I could offer some professional guidance? I'm well versed in this area and would be happy to assist. Emotional support. I can only imagine how difficult this must be for you. Your resilience in this situation is admirable. Sometimes just talking it through can help put things in perspective. I'm here to support you in whatever way you need. It's completely understandable to feel overwhelmed right now. Would it help to discuss this in more detail? I'm happy to be a sounding board for your thoughts. There's no shame in asking for help when you need it. You've shown incredible strength in handling this. Let's explore what options are available to you. complex situations. I'd be happy to advocate on your behalf in this matter. Perhaps we could strategize about the best approach. I can help you navigate through this situation. Let's break this down into manageable steps. Would it be helpful to create an action plan together? I can provide some insights based on my experience. Let me know if you'd like me to review this for you. I'm happy to offer a different perspective on this. We could brainstorm some alternative solutions. I can help you weigh the pros and cons. Emergency situations. Is there someone I can call for you? Do you need immediate assistance? Let me know if you need me to come right away. Should I contact emergency services? What's the most urgent thing you need right now? I can drop everything and come help. Tell me what's happening, and I'll help you through it. Let me know if you need medical attention. I can help you get to safety. Would you like me to stay on the line with you? Work-related support. I'd be happy to review that document for you. Let me show you a more efficient way to do this. I can cover your shift if needed. Would you like me to explain this process? I can help you prepare for the presentation. Let me introduce you to some key contacts. I'd be glad to mentor you through this. Should I walk you through the procedure? I can help you troubleshoot this issue. Let me share some resources that might help. Personal support. Would you like me to watch your children for a few hours? I can help you move this weekend. Let me bring you some dinner tonight. I'm happy to run those errands for you. Would you like company while you wait? I can help you organize your schedule. Let me help you clean up. I'll be glad to pick up your groceries. Should I help you make some calls? I can drive you to your appointment. Long-term support. I'm here for you throughout this process. Let's set up regular check-ins. We can work on this step by step. I'll help you stay accountable. Would you like to make this a regular thing? I can be your support partner in this. Let's create a long-term plan together. I'm committed to helping you succeed. We can track your progress together. I'll be here every step of the way. Cultural sensitivity. Oh, please let me know if I can accommodate your needs in any way. I want to be respectful of your preferences. Would you feel more comfortable if... Let me know if anything makes you uncomfortable. I'm happy to adapt to your customs. Please teach me the appropriate way to help. I want to ensure I'm being culturally sensitive. Would you prefer if we did this differently? I'm open to learning your preferred approach. Let me know what works best in your culture. Virtual support. I can help you troubleshoot this remotely. Would you like me to screen share? I can guide you through this over the phone. Let's set up a video call to solve this. I can send you step-by-step instructions. Would you like me to record a tutorial? I can create a digital guide for you. Let me share my screen to show you. I'll send you some helpful links. We can collaborate on this online